The police has arrested another rape culprit of a young girl college student at the MBP airport. His name Jayant Raut. The culprit Jayant Raut ran away from the state and stayed in Guwahati after the incident. The police has arrested another rape culprit of a college student at the MBB airport. His name Jayant Raut. 3 culprits has been arrested by the Amtoli police as of now on the rape case of a young girl college student. However, another culprit named Prashanjit Pal is yet to be arrested by the police. The amount of ₹90 lakh cash was found in the house of the rape culprit when the police went to arrest those 3 culprits. With that, the police has suspected something bigger on the rape case after they found the huge amount of money from culprit house. After the police has investigated the culprit, Gautam Sharma has revealed the other 2 culprits' name. They are Sudeep Chhetri and Prashanjit Pal. After that, the police has arrested Sudeep Chhetri, but Prashanjit Pal is yet to be arrested. However, the amount of ₹90 lakh was found in the house of Prashanjit Pal. Last Monday, Gautam Sharma from Mahesh Kola and his friends picked the girl from college, offering to drop her home. They offered a cold drink mixed with chloroform, probably which made her unconscious. Later took her to the house of Prashanjit Pal and abused sexually for 2 days. On Wednesday night, some local found her unconscious body near the bypass Amtoli Road with no clothes on her body. Later, she was identified. Parents came for immediate rescue and took her to the GB Hospital, Agartala. Later, she was found in fear and could not talk of her traumatic condition. An FIR was filed at the Amtoli police station on Wednesday. A culprit named Gautam Sharma was arrested as a suspect. Police request the court to give them 5 days of time to interrogate the culprit and managed to get the name of the true culprit from Gautam. Later on finding the accused one, the Amtoli police has got ₹90 lakh from the accused one home. After the police has interrogated the Gautam Sharma, 2 new names were disclosed by him, named Sudeep Chhetri and Prashanjit Pal. The police has arrested the Sudeep Chhetri but failed to trace Prashanjit Pal. Later on finding the accused one, the Amtoli police has got ₹90 lakh from Prashanjit Pal home. On the other hand, the police has arrested Prashanjit Pal uncle Lakhan Pal because of his absence in his home. Their home is in Mahesh Kola. Similarly, the police has also captured the vehicle used during the kidnapping. On Friday, the court has sent the culprit Sudeep Chhetri again remanded in custody for 5 days. The court has ordered for his identification parade. Furthermore, the court has also sent his uncle Lakhan Pal in remand for 5 days in relation to the 90 lakh amount found in their home. On coming 16 May, the police will take them again to the court. On the other side, after investigating about the rape case to the arrested culprit, another culprit name was revealed. His name is Jayant Raut. The culprit Jayant Raut ran away from the state and stayed in Guwahati after the incident. With that, in order to bring him back to the state, the police had pressurized his family members. In consequence, soon after the culprit Jayant Raut arrived at the MBB airport, the airport police has arrested him on Tuesday. Later, the airport police has handed over the culprit to the Amtoli police.
আমতলী থানার রিসেন্ট রেপ কেস ইনসিডেন্টে আরেকজনকে আটক করা হয়েছে। ওর নাম হলো জয়ন্ত রাউত, বাবার নাম লেট উমেশ রাউত, চালিয়াপাড়া। ও একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট রোল প্লে করেছিল সেই রেপ কাণ্ডে। ওকে আজকে এসডিপিও আমতলী সদর এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে আটক করে। ও রেপ কেসে ও আসামি, ও গ্যাং রেপটা ফেসিলিটেট করে এবং অন্যদেরকে পালাতে ও সাহায্য করে।
সে কোথায় গিয়েছিল?
সে কমিশন অফ ক্রাইমের পর ও ডাকা দিয়েছিল। ও আসামে ছিল, আজকে ও এসেছে। আপনার আমরা প্রেশার মাউন্ট করেছিলাম অনেক রকমভাবে ইন্টারোগেশন করে। ওর ফ্যামিলি মেম্বার 3-দের মধ্যে যারা আছে ওদেরকে সামন করেছিলাম থানাতে। সাইন্টিফিক এভিডেন্সে ও ট্র্যাক হয়েছে, ও কোথায় আছে ওকে আনা হয়েছে, অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে। এখন আরও তথ্য উঠে আসবে
এই কাণ্ডে। দেখা যাচ্ছে একের পর একবার। আর কতজন রয়েছে কি কিছু?
এই কাণ্ডে মূলত তো যে এফআইআরটা হয়েছিল সেই এফআইআরের মধ্যে একজনের নামই ছিল। পুরো মা ছিল, কমপ্লেনেন্টের মা ছিল, মানে ভিকটিমের মা ছিল কমপ্লেনেন্ট। তো উনি একজনেরই নাম দিয়েছিলেন। পরবর্তী সময়ে আমাদের ইন্টারোগেশনে বা অন্যরকম এভিডেন্সে দেখা যায় আরও কিছু লোক জড়িত আছে এই কেসে। পরবর্তী সময়ে যারা ছিল এর মধ্যে আমরা 3জনকে আগেই আটক করেছিলাম, আজকে ও হয়েছে। আর দেখা যাক, এখন ওকেও পুলিশ রিমান্ডে নেওয়া হবে, আর কি তথ্য বের হয়। হ্যাঁ, পরবর্তী সময়ে আমাদের এইসব এভিডেন্স যা আছে জরুরি, কনভিকশন হতে যা দরকার সেগুলো করানো হবে।
However, another culprit named Prashanjit Pal is yet to be arrested by the police. As such, the police are now searching for him. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.